Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So girls, it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dishcloth, free ideas, kitchen ideas for housewives. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Different pattern, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Fabulous crocheting work. Handmade knitting variety. Most demanding collection, most likely. Fabulous and beautiful trendy ideas. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and beautiful ideas, different variety, beautiful style, mind-blowing ideas. Very nice. Some are light color, some are dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors and granny square pattern, different style. Follow my channel, good comment in comment section. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel, the logo is front of you. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel, the logo is front of you. And most demanding collection, like and share my video with your family friends. Follow my channel, press the bell icon, good comment section and tell me what do you want next more. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care viewers, bye bye, and please wait for me. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day, goodbye viewers, bye bye.